welcome to Miranda Detailing. So today we are working on our personal vehicle. Again, this is our 2011 Toyota Avalon. We've already corrected and coated the hood, and I just washed it, dried it, and the XOV3 is holding up beautifully. Again, it's only been a couple of days. I coated it 3 or 4 days ago and just let it go. It rained and I just washed it today, and it's going strong. So now I'm going to test out a new product that we just got in, the HydroSilex, and I already used it on a vehicle today. It was one of our Onyx paint protection services, and I used it with the method of spraying it on after the vehicle was washed and rinsed. So I sprayed it on wet. I think I may have over applied it. I have just about half a bottle left. I think I put a little bit too much on, but that's okay. It sealed the vehicle beautifully. It beat it up. It was easy to dry. So it's pretty awesome as far as that application. It saved us a lot of time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to correct the trunk of the vehicle, of our vehicle, and then I'm going to dry apply this. So that's basically spraying it onto an applicator, applying it, and then removing the residue with a clean microfiber. So let's begin with the correction process first. We're going to show you what the paint looks like. So here is the trunk lid. It is really bad, and it has some deeper gouges in it that I don't expect to come out. Right here is a lot of deeper scratches. So we're not going to try to dig those out. We're just going to get rid of all of this horrible hazy swirls, clear it up, and then we'll see what it looks like. So this is after 2 cutting sessions. So there's a lot of deeper stuff, but it will clear up with the refining. So from that to that. So the cutting stage, refining stage. So with all the swirls gone, now you can see other defects in the paint. We have these deep gouges, we have some other deeper scratches, we have some other weird marks. Oh, that's just a smudge. But then you see it's speckled, and that's most likely overspray, because this driver's side of the vehicle was painted. So we have all these little specks here, which the camera picks them up, but you really can't see it in the sunlight. So now here is the trunk corrected as best as it's going to get. We have these deeper marks here I'm not going to try to dig out. Some deeper scratches here. I just need to do an IPA wipe down, and then we're going to apply the HydroSilex. Okay, so the HydroSilex has been applied. It's really easy to apply. I just wish this paint didn't have all those little spots in it from the overspray, but the paint at least is clear. It's swirl free. So it was very easy to apply. There's a little bit of wiping marks right there that I can just wipe a little bit more, but it'll level off. So we're going to test this coating and see how long it lasts. If we can get 6 months out of it, I would be very happy. I'd be very impressed. Let's see what it looks like out in the sun. Okay guys, so that's going to do it for today. I just wanted to shoot that brief video to show how we corrected the trunk and then applied the HydroSilex. And we're going to test it, see how long it lasts in real world conditions. So this is our daily driver. I wash it maybe once or twice a month when I have time to do it. Now the hood is already coated with XOB3, so we corrected it and we coated it, and it's been about maybe 3 or 4 days, so we're also going to keep track of that. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, give it a thumbs up, share it with others who may enjoy it. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below, and subscribe. If you haven't already, click that bell also, that way you get a notification each time our videos drop. So we'll see you next time. Have a great day.